Have you ever wondered why the sight of a sunset can make you feel so at peace? Why the song of a bird, the rustle of leaves, or the gentle lapping of waves can wash away your worries, if only for a moment? Nature, in all its grandeur and subtlety, has a way of speaking to our souls. It's as if we share a deep, unspoken bond with the world around us, a bond born of shared origins and a shared journey through time. Consider the story of the ancient bristlecone pine. These trees, some of which have lived for nearly 5,000 years, are among the oldest living organisms on Earth. They've seen civilizations rise and fall, weathered countless storms, and yet they stand tall, silent witnesses to the passage of time. The bristlecone pine's beauty is not in its grandeur, but in its resilience. Its gnarled branches and weather-beaten bark tell a story of survival against all odds. It's a testament to the power of adaptation, the strength of life, and the relentless march of time. Or take the simple beauty of a butterfly's metamorphosis. From a humble caterpillar, it transforms into a creature of exquisite beauty. This transformation is not just a spectacle to behold, but a reminder of the potential for change and growth that lies within each of us. And then there's the spectacle of the northern lights. Dancing ribbons of light fill the sky, creating a spectacle that leaves spectators in awe. It's a reminder of the incredible forces at work in our universe, forces that shape our planet and ultimately our lives. These examples of nature's beauty aren't just pleasing to the eye. They tell stories, teach lessons, and evoke emotions. They remind us of our place in the world, of the interconnectedness of all things, and of the delicate balance that sustains life on our planet. Nature's beauty can be found in the grand and the subtle, the ancient and the ephemeral, the resilient and the delicate. It's a beauty that invites reflection, that inspires awe, and that nourishes the soul. To appreciate this beauty is to appreciate life itself. It's to understand our place in the grand tapestry of existence, and to feel a part of something larger than ourselves. So, the next time you find yourself in the presence of nature's beauty, take a moment to reflect. Consider the stories these sights and sounds tell, the lessons they teach, and the emotions they evoke. Remember the ancient bristlecone pine and its testament to resilience. Remember the butterfly and its transformation. Remember the northern lights and the incredible forces at work in our universe. These are the stories that nature tells us. The stories of resilience, transformation, and awe-inspiring power. The stories of life, of time, and of the universe itself. As we journey through life, let us not forget to appreciate these stories. For in doing so, we not only enrich our own lives, but also ensure that these stories continue to be told for generations to come. So, in conclusion, nature's beauty lies not just in what we see, but in what we feel, what we learn, and how we grow. It's a beauty that transcends aesthetics, reaching into the very core of our being. It's a beauty that speaks of resilience, transformation, and awe-inspiring power. It's a beauty that tells a story of life, of time, and of the universe itself. And that, dear listeners, is the true beauty of nature. The beauty of a story that has been unfolding for billions of years, a story in which we are all players, a story that will continue to unfold long after we're gone, a story that, in its telling, reminds us of the beauty of existence itself.